The FKNE Network of Excellence shapes the future of neuroscience by putting young researchers in the driver's seat, and is now looking for new scholars. A pan-European network with worldwide collaborations investigates brain function and facilitates the exchange between science and society. The research of our scholars spans all fields of neuroscience. Through the FKNE network, however, their impact can go beyond scientific investigation. But why don't we ask them personally about their research and their contributions as part of the FKNE network?
Hi, I use mice to study neurodevelopment and neurodevelopmental disorders. Together with the other scholars, we have been setting up training and classes to help young PIs to set up their own labs.
Hello, I'm Tom Baden and I work on the neurobiology of vision, using in particular zebrafish as a model species. We also are quite keen proponents of open hardware solutions, particularly in view of trying to promote access to research infrastructure worldwide. And we have a particular focus on the global south.
I'm fascinated by the mechanisms the brain uses to process sensory information and translate it into innate stereotype behavior. I enjoy the collaborative atmosphere and the out-of-the-box ideas that came from discussions within the network.
I try to understand the molecular mechanisms underlying learning. I also try to understand what is different in autistic brain. In FKNE network I have learned that for example in politics, individuals and networks can make the change.
My team works on sensory motor integration in the motor circuits of the hindbrain and spinal cord. It's been wonderful over the last 4 years to get involved with very creative, dynamic scientists to try to change the landscape of neuroscience throughout Europe. Together we really pushed for diversity in neuroscience as well as well-being of scientists throughout their career from the very early stage. It's been a really great adventure and I encourage you highly to apply.
Hi, I'm Lucia. I'm the lab head of the Neural Circuits and Evolution Lab. We are interested in understanding how neural circuits evolve by using as models different fly species, some of which are disease vectors. In addition to that, I co-funded a non-profit organization to promote science in Africa called Trend in Africa. Both through Trend and through in the lab, we are big supporters of open science in all of its forms.
I'm Tomas Ryan. I'm most excited by questions of how memory engrams are stored in the brain. I'm also very interested in science communication and policy. Being a part of the FKNE network has transformed my career, not just with respect to how I do my science and my own scientific collaborations, but also with respect to how I can integrate with the wider network in order to try and promote positive developments in issues such as environmentally friendly neuroscience, diversity issues, mentorship, and greater awareness and appreciation for neuroscience in Europe. So please consider joining us if you're interested in any of these issues.
Are you a young PI leading an independent group? Do you want to be part of FKNE? Then apply now